The OnePlus 13 is all set to launch in the global market, but there is another flagship OnePlus phone that is launching soon. It is the OnePlus 13R. This is the successor to the OnePlus 12R, which was launched in January this year with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The OnePlus 13R is expected to launch in China first as the OnePlus Ace 5. A few days back, we got our first look at the design of the phone, and now the specifications of the OnePlus 13R have leaked online, which were shared by 91 Mobiles. So in this video, let us talk about all of that. Starting with the design first, the OnePlus 13R looks pretty identical to the OnePlus 13. It means it no longer has a rounded frame and a curved screen. The phone now has a flat frame and a flat display. Moreover, the camera module no longer extends from the frame. As we can see, the frame has antenna lines, which means that it is a metal frame just like its predecessor. There is an alert slider on the left side, and well, that is all about the design. In terms of the specifications, the phone has a 6.78-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. Now, while the display seems to be the same as OnePlus 12R, it is said to be the BOE's X2 panel, which the OnePlus 13 also has. So we are definitely expecting some improvements in the display as compared to the OnePlus 12R. The performance is of course upgraded as the phone is using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The phone also has a bigger battery than the OnePlus 12R at 6000 mAh. Now, even though the battery is bigger, the charging speed has reduced to 80 watt versus 100 watt in the OnePlus 12R. Also, even with a bigger battery, the OnePlus 13R is slimmer than the OnePlus 12R. Finally, let us talk about the cameras. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back. The primary camera has a 50 megapixel sensor with an f1.8 lens and OIS support. The second camera has an 8 megapixel sensor with an f2.2 lens, and it is most likely an ultra-wide camera. Finally, there is a third 50 megapixel camera with an f2.0 lens. This is most likely a telephoto camera, which, if true, is quite a surprise since we were expecting the same 2 megapixel macro camera this year as well. For selfies, the phone has the same 16 megapixel sensor. Finally, the OnePlus 13R runs on Oxygen OS 15 out of the box, which is based on Android 15. There is no information on when the phone is launching or at what price it is launching. Since the OnePlus 12R was launched in January, the OnePlus 13R is also expected to launch in January in the global market. The OnePlus 12R was launched at a starting price of $500 which was the starting price of the OnePlus 11R as well. So if OnePlus manages to keep the price of 13R the same as the 12R, then it would be a fantastic deal. So what are your expectations for the price? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.